Hi, I'm Natalie. It's a pleasure to showcase Zener Engineering Services Ltd. and the GxP services they can provide to your life sciences company. Firstly, some background to ZES. ZES started as a small engineering organization, specializing in quality engineering and information technology, focused on pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturing compliance to FDA, MHRA, and EMA regulatory requirements. Over the years since, ZES have evolved into an all-round GxP engineering services provider and validation consultancy. Dedicated to the life sciences industry, ZES provide an exceptional service, all delivered by its team of experienced GxP consultants. By delivering services of a consistently high quality, reliability, and versatility standard with, of course, the utmost integrity, ZES have built a reputation for quality and excellence, where they can easily fully satisfy their GxP clients' needs. Key personnel have worked extensively in life sciences, bringing a wealth of expertise to the services ZES provide, complemented by substantial academic qualifications. From their offices in the north of England, ZES aim to be the service provider of choice for any company operating in the life sciences sector who require GxP support throughout the UK and beyond. Let me share with you the ZES mission statement, which will now be shown on screen. ZES accelerate GxP clients towards their engineering and IT compliance goals, providing leading expertise in technology systems which improve productivity, product quality, and patient safety. ZES constantly and consistently work to achieve compliance. Oh, by the way, on the left of your screen is Faye Travis, who works part-time for ZES as their office manager. Faye also works in the NHS as a pain management sister and was on the front line of the COVID-19 pandemic. Faye worked tirelessly, as did many of her colleagues, to help as many patients as possible in very difficult circumstances. I hope you will agree with me that we all owe the NHS and its dedicated personnel a great level of gratitude. Okay, next let's look specifically at some of the main GxP services provided by ZES. Firstly, let's look at equipment validation. The ZES equipment validation services provide a cost-effective, risk-based solution. ZES consultants have successfully validated many GxP manufacturing systems, adopting and implementing suitable risk-based approaches. Secondly, computer system validation or CSV. The ZES CSV services include full lifecycle documentation generation and protocol execution, performed on all of the computer systems in your GxP manufacturing operation. Next, there is training. ZES provide bespoke GxP training on a large range of subject matters, so you can rely on ZES to take care of your GxP training requirements. ZES will take time to understand your specific training requirements and preferred delivery approaches for all of the ZES bespoke GxP training courses. Now let's take a look at other GxP services provided by ZES. Project management. ZES can provide a complete GxP project or program management service to allow life science organizations time to focus on other aspects of their GxP operations. ZES can take full control from project initiation to implementation and handover. By utilizing ZES expertise from an early stage, ZES will work to ensure that your life science company receives the best value solution using current best practice techniques and latest technologies. ZES can work on behalf of the life sciences company, managing many different vendors to ensure large projects are delivered on time to the right GxP standard and within budget. Decontamination. The decontamination of pharmaceutical products or medical devices is a very specialized area. Activities such as hands-on maintenance, calibration, and thermal mapping are all within the team's experience. ZES have helped to design new decontamination facilities where compliance with the relevant requirements was paramount. Interim resources. ZES can directly supply GxP experienced interim resources at varying levels of seniority for those project increases in manpower requirements. ZES have a network of over 150 GxP proven engineers ready to help you with your GxP requirements. Regulatory inspections. ZES have worked closely with regulatory inspectors to ensure GxP facilities, IT infrastructure, process equipment, and computer systems have reached the required standard for their first inspection and inspections beyond. Do you need further information on more GxP services, where ZES can provide the solution? Okay then, very quickly, I'll list these next. Quality systems. ZES can implement, improve, and monitor GxP quality management systems, required for the whole of your GxP operation. Supplier audits. ZES can perform supplier audits on behalf of GxP clients, which are an important part of the GxP customer-supplier business relationship, aiming to check and improve the current quality and delivery processes. Computer-aided design. ZES can provide a full service using the latest 3D modeling technologies. Facility designs, process layouts, and P&ID drawings are all catered for. Building energy surveys. ZES can organize and carry out all types of building energy surveys. In addition, ZES have certified CIBSE air conditioning inspectors who carry out inspections to comply with the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, which is more generally known as TM44. Thank you for watching this short presentation showcasing the GxP services ZES provide. On behalf of ZES, we look forward to working with you in the future. Goodbye.